Humanity often speaks of Earth as if it is a world we have already conquered. We have mapped continents, crossed vast oceans, climbed the tallest mountains, and even sent spacecraft beyond our planet. With satellites orbiting overhead and powerful computers analyzing enormous amounts of data, it is easy to believe that few mysteries remain. Yet the truth is far more surprising. Some of the strangest and most fascinating discoveries are not hidden on distant planets or in remote galaxies, but right here on Earth. Beneath forests, deserts, oceans, and mountains lie mysteries that continue to challenge scientists and fuel curiosity around the world. From unexplained sounds heard by only a select few people to enormous geological formations concealed beneath the sea, our planet remains filled with secrets that refuse to be fully explained. One of the most unusual mysteries is a phenomenon known simply as the hum across multiple countries. People have reported hearing a faint, low-frequency rumble that seems to come from nowhere. It is not the sound of traffic, machinery, or aircraft, yet those who hear it often describe it as impossible to ignore. Scientists have proposed explanations ranging from industrial activity and ocean waves to electromagnetic effects and unusual hearing conditions, but no single theory successfully explains every reported case. Equally strange are the famous sailing stones found on a remote desert lake bed, where massive rocks appear to move on their own, leaving long trails behind them. Although researchers eventually discovered that thin sheets of ice combined with strong winds can slowly push the stones across the surface, witnessing giant rocks seemingly travel without human assistance remains one of nature's most remarkable sights. Earth also contains locations that appear almost impossible at first glance. Hidden behind a waterfall burns the eternal flame falls, where a small flame survives despite being surrounded by flowing water. Natural gas escaping through cracks in the rock continually feeds the fire, creating a scene that looks more like fantasy than reality. Far beneath the waters of northern Europe lies another mystery known as the Baltic Sea anomaly. Discovered through sonar imaging in 2011, the strange object resting on the seafloor immediately sparked speculation around the world. Some believed it resembled an artificial structure, while others argued it was a rare geological formation. Although investigations have provided possible natural explanations, debate continues, and the anomaly remains one of the most discussed underwater discoveries of modern times. The oceans themselves contain some of Earth's greatest unknowns. Scattered throughout the seas are enormous underwater sinkholes called blue holes, appearing as dark circles from above and descending into deep underwater worlds that remain only partially explored. Scientists studying these formations continue to uncover ancient cave systems, evidence of past climate conditions, and unusual geological features hidden in complete darkness. Equally fascinating are the booming deserts found in certain regions of the world, where massive sand dunes can produce deep sounds resembling distant thunder, drums, or powerful engines. Travelers have described entire landscapes singing as sand grains move together under very specific conditions. While researchers understand some of the physics involved, predicting exactly when these mysterious sounds will occur remains surprisingly difficult. Some mysteries reveal just how little we understand about life itself. Deep beneath Earth's surface, scientists have discovered entire ecosystems thriving in complete darkness. For decades, many researchers believed sunlight was essential for life. Yet microbes have been found surviving miles underground by relying on chemical energy instead. These discoveries have transformed our understanding of biology and raised important questions about whether similar life could exist elsewhere in the universe. At the same time, the oceans continue to remind us how much remains unexplored. Covering more than 70% of the planet, much of the seafloor is still poorly mapped, and new species are discovered on a regular basis. Hidden ecosystems, unknown geological formations, and entirely new forms of life may still be waiting in the darkness beyond the reach of human observation. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all lies directly beneath our feet. Despite all of humanity's technological achievements, we have barely penetrated Earth's crust. The deepest hole ever drilled reached only a tiny fraction of the distance toward the planet's core, leaving everything below largely understood through indirect measurements and scientific models. We know the interior exists, and we understand many of the forces that shape our world, yet no human has ever directly observed these hidden regions. Earth is not a completed puzzle, but an active frontier filled with unanswered questions, unexplored environments, and discoveries waiting to be made. Every year reveals new species, new geological phenomena, and new mysteries that challenge our assumptions. Somewhere on this planet, right now, there may be secrets capable of changing our understanding of Earth forever. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Dark Creatures 51, watch more mystery videos, and tell us in the comments, what do you believe is Earth's greatest unsolved mystery?